Good morning, everyone. Allison Rauch with Greer CPW here to provide you the morning update on where our crews will be focusing their efforts today. We have just under 1,200 customers left to restore in our system. So crews will be actively working in the area to finalize those 1,200 customers that are still without power. Here's a list of areas that we're going to be focusing in on today. Taylor Road, Helene Heights, the Mount Vernon Road area, Kendrick Street, American Legion Road, Crestview Hills, Greer Mill area, Sunnyside area, Lakeview Circle, Arch Drive, Coggin Drive, Tiger Woods Subdivision, and the Brushy Creek EA Wood Community. Overnight, we restored either partial restoration or full restoration on Peachtree Drive, Gale Avenue and Memorial Drive Extension, Abner Creek and Westmoreland. Victor Mill area, we had some isolated issues that we restored over that way, and also Highway 29 near Papa John's and Arby's. We also restored the Bayberry Retirement Center. They received power and then went back out, and so we restored them again. Also, Center Street has been restored, and 9th Street has also been restored. So thank you all so much again for your patience. Our crews really feel their words of encouragement and support, and we just can't thank you enough for that. Hope to provide you some more updates as I can, but it's going to be a full day for our crews, a great day for them to work, great weather, and we will see you on these streets that I listed. Thanks, guys.